When we're looking for the x and or y intercepts of a graph, we're looking for where does that graph, so in this case this is our blue line, where does our graph cross the x-axis, which is this one, or the y-axis, which is this one. So let's look for the x-intercept first. So if we're looking for the x-intercept, we're looking for where does this blue line cross my x-axis. And I notice it crosses right here, where x is 4. So we can write the answer in two ways. If it just wants that value for the x-intercept specifically, it crossed at 4. If it wants the ordered pair, we would have to write that answer as its ordered pair, which is 4, 0. And then for the y-intercept, we look back at our blue line. Where does that blue line cross the y-axis? The blue line crosses the y-axis right here. So we could say the y-intercept is 3. Or again, if it wants the ordered pair for that would be the point 0, 3.